Hello guys, so today I'm fixing hisense fridge with a punctured evaporator. This is the part where ice forms at the freezer. The person using the fridge punctured at that hole using a knife. She was trying to remove ice from the freezer using a knife and punctured it. So all the gas evaporated, so it stopped working, and that wasn't good because she tried to put tape to prevent the gas from spilling out, but it never worked. If you encounter such a problem, there is no need to try and cover the hole. If you have already punctured it, just shut down the fridge and look for a technician. If you have any problem with ice or build-up of ice for this type of fridge, there is always a blue button, depends with the model, where it's written defrost. You push it in at the knob which you use to adjust the temperature. When you push it in, the fridge shuts down and it will melt all the ice naturally. So there is no need for you to try and remove food, start food while the freezer is running. The best solution, or you can shut down the fridge for some time and let the ice melt. Alternatively, also, if you you can also shut down the fridge, give it like 10 minutes, then use warm water and pour inside for the ice to melt. Then after you remove the food, give it at least 30 minutes, then turn on the fridge. Also, that one will work. But for this, the application has already been done, so what I'm doing is replacing the evaporator. There is another method also. You can also fix the hole, but for this fridge, that's not a good way to fix it, because it won't give a good service. It won't stay for long. It will build up another hole because it was kept running, so water got sucked into the fridge, and removing that water from the evaporator is a lot of problems and a lot of work. During other times we are forced to repair it, but nowadays the parts are cheaper, so for me I prefer just replacing the evaporator. Yes, it has some work of bending and glazing, but we are used to, for a perfect job, no shortcut should be used. For any questions or anything, you are free to comment on the comment section. Yeah, and I'll teach you everything about what I'll be repairing. This job takes like around 2 hours to 1.5 hours, because first, after fixing the evaporator, we'll have to put also the gas. Yeah, and I'm fixing it on site with very minimal tools required. The place that I'm in, you need just minimal tools, but I have to do the job very professionally. If you are a technician and you love to watch the videos, just give a follow and learn more. For any advices, you can ask. This is I love these repairs because they are interesting, and is one of challenging repairs. This is the final result after the repair. Follow for more videos and very updated, detailed videos. Thanks.